you, Latifa, and thank you everybody for being here. And it's a pleasure. And I wanted also to welcome everybody to this meeting, because I know there is a lot of people involved in the project, but there is also a lot of people that maybe it's the first time that they connect. I see many people connected. This is also a very good news, and it's always a pleasure to participate and share with you. Let's see if I can share my screen first. Okay, can you see it now?
Yes.
Let's see if I can put it in the correct mode.
Perfect.
Okay, can you see it also without any interruption? Good.
Yes.
It's not easy. Okay. Well, I prepared a small presentation, as my part is just to present a little bit what the program does, and wanted to show you here in the first slide which is the scope of the program, of the NE program. You can see here in blue the countries and the regions, especially the regions of each country that participate in the project, and also the others that will be participating near. They are also included in the future, but they are not now active for the moment. It's very interesting because it's one of the European programs that that made cooperation between North and South, East and West of the Mediterranean in another way, and it's very important for this region. Some synthesis, some data are the joint operational program that was adopted the 17th of December in 2020. There are 209 millions of the European contribution, 14 countries involved, and the most important thing is the partnerships, the co-ownership and the common benefits. That means cooperation is really the most objective of the program. The central managing authority is located in the region of Sardinia in Italy, in an island where I am now. And here it is the cooperation of the whole program, but there are also two antennas, one in Valencia and another in Jordan. As already Barbara mentioned, there are 4 priorities. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about each of the priority, because even if maybe you see 4 that are different and environmental is only 1, you will see that there are business and small medium enterprise development, but there is also the component of environment is, as you know, is a horizontal matter, and there is also sustainable tourism included, education, research and technological development, that means innovation. There are also many projects, and most of them are also related in different ways on the environment. Here in promotion of social inclusion and fight against poverty, they are also very targeted for needs, that's the young people and women's employment and social solidarity. It's very important that as the ODS, one project tackles not only one of the priorities, but also a little bit of the others, because this is how at the end the program will achieve more results and will achieve more objectives. Regarding the part of environment, we have 4 priorities. The one that we are talking now, it's innovative solutions for water management, water efficiency. There is also waste management in urban areas, another related to renewable energies and energy efficiency, mostly related on green building. Most of the projects are on there, and another dedicated to integrated coastal zone management. for the moment, there are 3 calls for this period. And the next one, they will be presented in the future and very soon. And for the first call was on the standard projects. Nawamed is one of the projects of the standard, where 41 projects were granted. And there was a second call for strategic projects, where 23 projects were also granted. And there was a third call, which is the capitalization, where we received many proposals, and they are under evaluation, and soon the results will be there also. To present you a little bit about the projects that are now, I could say that there are 19 and 6 standard and strategic projects for the first one, 14 and 9 for the second, on technology transfer and social inclusion and fight against poverty. They have also 12 standard and 6 strategic projects. Regarding environmental projects, we have 19 projects in total and 2 strategic. Here you can see a little bit of what are the organizations that are tackled for each of the, in general, for all the strategic projects. And just wanted to mention also that for the 4 priorities, you can also find a lot of information for each project. In the web page, NBSs, you can find information on each of the projects for all the categories, and you can follow all the, it's very interesting to follow the news, because there are also some offers for everybody, including also opportunities regarding the events like today, but also other trainings and also even job offers. Before finishing, I just wanted to share with you some facts why it's so important, the Nawamed project, and also the priority 4.1. I wanted to mention that on the Mediterranean is one of the world's population living in water poverty is in the Mediterranean. 60% of the world's population that has water scarcity. So all the projects that target solutions on the Mediterranean, they are targeting 60% of the population that has water scarcity. I appreciate a lot the presentations of Fabio and Barbara, where you can see a little bit how you can do these new solutions. Nature-based solutions are an opportunity to change, and there is a lot of work that you can see on the websites, but you will find less information on Mediterranean options. This is also because it's a region that has water scarcity, and it's not so easy to implement solutions. Normally, it's easier to put them in a climate where you can find water the whole year. But as we are in the Mediterranean, we have this season that is the summer, where it's water scarcity, and where normally all the population on the coast is doubled because everybody goes to the sea. And this makes also a place of target where the program is very interesting to tackle these solutions. Just also wanted to mention that in general, the 5 projects that are already cooperating in this priority, as you will also know in the next presentation, Costas will also present you a little bit about the Aquacycle project. And I know also all the projects they are integrating within. It's good because this is how also the results from one could also help each other. And in total, the program targets with all the projects 1,500 hectares of land irrigated with non-conventional water resources, and also 909,000 square meters a year of non-conventional water supply for use for domestic purposes. Nawamed project targets several pilot plans to include, and it's very important because all the solutions done by each of the projects will also help for the region. We have a lot of indicators also in the program and a lot of objectives settled, and we like to think that this is the minimum to achieve. So I would like to encourage all the participants that will share their knowledge and also improve their abilities during the next days, also to encourage and pass the message, because it is important not only to learn, also to share with everybody, as now you are also part of the solution, and just to encourage the work for the coming days. So thank you. This is all from my side. Hope we have still time, even if we had a little bit, and glad to share everything with you.